Today video is 6 months. Now she can crawl. Now she can hide. Now look at her. She's looking for Bobby. This is her now showing her stomach. Now she can complain. She don't like the food. She prop down. And now she's look like her father. Attitude with Papa. He's sleeping with like Papa. Noisy like Mama. Mm. Now she can complain here, complain there. Look at me. Kick here, kick there, kick there, kick here, kick there, kick here. My Tilly babies. Showing Tamaya. She is now 6 months and 3 days. No, 2 days. 17. She born 15, 16, 17. So she is 6 months and 2 days. And now she eats away 3 days. This what day? Mama. First food is pumpkin. Second food is pumpkin. Third food is pumpkin. Fourth is apple. Everything is pink. Know what she did? She gave so much noise. That's my little auntie. Yeah. 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 Now she having a gum swollen. You want me to eat your fingers?